Hey guys. Oh, 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 how embarrassing. Alright, is it good now? Alright, good. Hey guys. Oh. What's up, guys? I'm gonna be voice cracking a lot because I just woke up. Alright. Hello, guys. bb-panzu here, and I'm here to tell you how to make a simple visual novel game on Flash. Here we go. So first, what you want to do is make a new Flash file. Make sure it's a Flash document. If you're using like CS3 or higher, you have to select Actionscript 2, otherwise it will not work. So after you did that, you press OK. Now we have a Flash file. You might want to make it a full screen resolution, like 960 by 540, but any resolution would do. But if you want quality, then you want this. But since we're doing a simple one, it won't really matter. So first thing we want to do is obviously make the menu screen. So let's just draw some characters. Alright. Why is my smoothing up so high? Perfect. Alright, so we obviously want to make the title stick gay, because they're gay. So now that we got the title screen art, what we want to do is insert layer, rename this layer actions, because this is where most of our actions would go. What was that? Okay, just making sure. I was hoping I didn't do anything bad. Alright, so we want to make our button. So how to make a button? Simple. If you want your button to look good, just go over here and then just make the corner radius like some 20. Look perfect. There. Now we have our button. Now obviously you want. Oops. Hold on. No, I accidentally added one here. So now we want text on our button. Oh wait. Oh no. That's the actions layer. Just add a new layer. Boom. Make sure to fill it in, otherwise the button won't work. There it is. Alright. So then add text onto the button. To change the text values and properties, just go on properties while selecting text. Then, boom. Then what we want to do is add play. It doesn't matter what we name it, but we should probably name it play button. You should probably make it a button symbol. Play. It doesn't matter, but for what we're gonna do, it's gonna be important. So double click in the button, and as you can see, you'll realize, hey, this looks nothing like the regular timeline. This looks pretty different. Let me explain why. Because this is a button, it doesn't really need an animation. If you wanted animations to your button, you'd have to make it a movie clip. But if you want to make it a movie clip, it requires more actions, and we don't want that. So basically, these are just the frames of the button. So let me explain. The up means when the button isn't touched. Over means when your mouse is over the button. Down is when you're pressing down on the button. Hit is basically the hitbox of the button. So let's do it. So when a button's up, it looks normal. When a button is over, let's make it bigger. So there you go. To scale from the center, you press Alt, and to scale proportionally, to scale to make it everything the same size, you press Shift. So if you press those at the same time, it'll scale from the middle with the same size. So just make it bigger. So when it's normal, it's like this. When it's over, let's change the color too. Let's make it brighter. And then when it's down, make it dark. And then like make that one smaller as if we're pressing it. And then the hitbox, basically what parts of the button we need to touch for it to activate. Since we want our button to work like pretty good, let's just make a hitbox like here. Let's see. Yeah, the hitbox looks good. Then what you want to do is save. Let's just save. Let's just name this visual novel example. Simple. All right. This is the simple version. I'm gonna make a more advanced version later. So now that we got this, let's test it. Ctrl+Enter. Stick gay. Ooh, I like this visual novel. Let me press play. Oh, whoa, what is this? Our button is working. Click, click, click. Whoa, our button's working. And as you can see, the hitbox is working because I don't even have to touch the button exactly for it to work. So that's pretty good if you're making mobile games, because like your finger's not directly gonna touch it. Well, our button's not doing anything, obviously, because we didn't make it do anything. And so let's make the actual game. So if we do make an empty frame, make everything empty, and leave the actions. So for the actions, finally, we're gonna add something. Now you have to open your actions panel either by going on window, clicking actions, or pressing F9. I like pressing F9. There we go. So what you want to do is add stop. It's a really simple action. Basically, it just stops the movie clip, because if we didn't have it and we had those 2 frames, guess what it would do? It would give us a freaking seizure, and we don't want that. Nobody wants seizures. So if you press stop, it'll say, hey, stop at that frame. And what do you know? It stops at this frame. So now what we want to do is make our characters. So we got Gabriel. So his name's Gabriel. And we got Tom Fruity. His name's Tom Fruity. Let's make this one close because you'll see why. Let's see. There we go. Now he's kind of blushing, so let's make him blush. There we go. So now that we made our first thing, let's go on to the next frame and draw the box. We want the inside to be transparent so we can see what's going on below these gay characters. There you go. Let's make the text box. We don't have to make it big because they're not going to really be saying much. Here, how about this? We add a small square like this, and then a big square like this. You'll see why. Yeah, now you see. Because that's where the name goes. And just maybe add another one over here to make it have a border. And then it looks good. Make the border really opaque. Like dark. Alright, so how about pink? How about rainbow because they're gay? There you go. So now make sure you add another layer. Let's call this one text. Let's name layer 3 text box. Name 1 what? Name 1 characters or just car. Why is it doing that? Still recording. Okay. And let's add another layer, name it background. There we go. So now we want the text to say. Now make sure you align it to the left. Text is big enough. We want it to say. We want what's his name? Gabriel to say. Oh hey, Tom Fruity. What was it you wanted? Oh, what? It's going off? Oh, we'll just flop that boy right there. What was it that you wanted to tell me? Oh, sorry. There we go. Save that. Really important to save. Add another frame on the text, and then this one's gonna say, I wanted to tell you that I so yeah um uh um I uh um I kind kinda uh uh um oh giggles. Yeah, no, never mind. No, I um uh eh, uh e some ah uh, tú estás. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, the text isn't. And then Gabriel's gonna say, what? I didn't understand you. And then Tom Fruity's gonna say, I'm trying to say that hold on. That I and then on the next one he's gonna actually finish a sentence, say, I like you. Oh, hold on. Ooh, let's add this weave shite. Ooh. Yeah. And then Gabriel's gonna say, you know, I kinda liked you too. But since you wanted to say all that I don't like you as much anymore. What? That's what that's what Tom Fruity's gonna say. We save this, and then we basically got everything we need. So now, let's make our characters different. So it's gonna be, hey Tom, Tom Fruity. Hey Tom Fruity, what was it you wanted to tell me? And then he's not gonna be talking on this one. Here, let's just add a bunch of frames on these, and then we're gonna close his mouth. Ooh. And then he's gonna be talking like, oh hey Tom Fruity, what was it you want to tell me? I want to tell you that. So yeah, I kind of, what? I don't understand you. And then he's gonna be over here, and then we're just gonna, and then over here, he's, no, your mouth's still shut. Alright, he's gonna be flustered here. Let's take away the text box and the text, because I'm trying to draw here. Okay. Like you are. And then after that, he's gonna walk away. So let's take his face, and then flip that fricker around. Oh wait, I reset my to do that. Let's make him go away, not too far, just so people get the idea. And then he's gonna be like, oh no, what? And then yeah, there we go. And everything looks pretty swell. So now we add buttons. So on the here, what we want to do on our actions, you could, what? My gosh, stop scaring me. I keep having Bandicam flashbacks of hearing that sound and realizing the recording is over, and it makes me so mad. So what we want to do, click on our button, open up the actions, make sure the button is selected, and put this code on release parenthesis brackets. Now basically what it's doing, it's like we put the brackets because we're about to define an action, and this is where actions will go. And then we're gonna close it off over here. Well, you're not actually gonna close it off over here because nobody does that. That's weird. What you're gonna do is press enter and then put your actions. So on release, we're going to make sure you put root next frame. Why root next frame? Let me say what root is. Root is the actual timeline. Alright, if anything that's not root is probably a symbol. Unless if you put it on the actual frame and all that. So we go here. Root is basically saying the timeline will go to the next frame. If we do not have it, then it'll say the button will go to the next frame. And look what happens when the button goes to the next frame. Oh, it actually works. Okay, never mind. Okay. Okay. Don't I feel stupid? Sorry, I've always used movie clips and I've had that problem. So, alright, so now that we've added our play button, let's add the next button. So we draw a next button over here. Doesn't have to look all that pretty, but since I like pretty stuff. There we go. Looking all nice. Make our button look nice. Perfect. Now we have a next button. And make that a button. We gotta name it. So if we don't want to find it in the library, let's call this next button. So obviously you know what to do. Select this. Just copy the actions because I'm too lazy to rewrite the actions. That baby right there. It's gonna do the same thing. And then press Ctrl+Enter. Then play. Then hey, hey Tom Fruity, what was it you wanted to tell me? I wanted to so yeah, I kind of oh no smart ford disc what I tu estás what I didn't understand you. I'm trying to say that um I I like you. Yeah. You know, I kind of liked you too. But since you want to say all that weep trash, I don't like you as much anymore. Oh no. Oh, I did not realize we put. Oh, dang it. What? Okay. Let's change something because I didn't realize I put that. I mean, unless if we put this. No, it's got to be family friendly. Okay. Alright, so basically we got it all done. Now you know the basics. Oh, we forgot to draw the background. We're supposed to know where the characters are. So let's draw a nice background with it's a school environment. So let's get rid of the action. Let's draw a few lockers. Let's make it perspective. Do that. Then we make the halls. Then we make the halls. Then we make the walls. Then we make the door. And then we make the done. And then these are the lockers. These are the lockers. These are the lockers. Oh, but we can see it under the characters. I'll just fill the characters in then. What the frick? Oh, okay. Yeah, just fill the characters in, and then you basically got a visual novel. See how simple that was to do it. Like it wasn't even that hard. Like like my grandma could do it. Fricky. Oh wait, did I miss something? Okay. Alright, so we gotta fill this in. Only fill the parts that are actually in the background, so so you don't have to use up too much data. Alright, so now we got our I forgot to fill in his head right here. What the frick? Oh, I selected the text. Oops. Alright, there you go. Alright. Everything's looking pretty dandy. Alright. Now let's see how it looks. Oh, hey Tom Fruity. What was it you wanted to tell me? I wanted to, yeah, basically everything's all good. Now you know how to make a visual novel. Now we want to add music, right? So let's see. We want to go to import to library. Where do I have all some of my music? Let's go on projects. This will do. Samsung. Alright. So now we've imported that to the library. Wait for it to finish importing. My computer is slow. I'm surprised it could even handle this. Oh, what was that? Okay, it's working. I'm looking for a mind work. Alright. If you open the library, oh, there it is. Now we want to add the background music. So we import another one. What's a good background music? Some Minecraft. Okay. I swear I did not make these music like right before the tutorial. I literally made these like months ago. Alright, now that we've got that, let's add a music layer. So since this is a simple one, we're not going to do any actions. So just drag the person over there and make sure you go on properties. If you're an animator and animate way too much and you discovered this, change that to start. Oh, I didn't click. Alright. Then what you want to do is cut that off right there. Then okay. We want to set that. We're gonna copy that frame. Go over here and for stop, so it'll stop that type of sound. And then we want to add another layer so we can actually put our background music. Make sure that's set to start. Make sure it's set to loop. Make sure the Samsung is set to loop. And then let's see if it'll work. Ctrl+Enter. Yeah, ooh, I like the music. Stick gay. I like stick gay. Let's play. Oh, hey Tom Fruity. What was it you wanted to tell me? I wanted to tell you that so yeah I have you ever had a dream where you could when you could no I eat some for this yeah tú estás. Huh? What? I didn't understand you. I'm trying to say that I like you. Yeah. You know, I kind of like you too, but since you want to say all that weed trash, I don't like you as much anymore. Duh, what? And that's where it ends. Yep, we're done with the tutorial. Now you know how to make your own freaking thing. I actually did not know if the sound thing would work because I've never tried it before, because I didn't even know that was the purpose of the stop. Then again, that was pretty much self-explanatory. Alright. So, now that we're done, save that, and now you can go work on any other project you've done. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make an advanced visual novel. Goodbye.